How to delete characters on Character AI. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you the quick way to delete characters on Character AI. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, go ahead and launch character.ai application on your device. Make sure to update the application and log in or sign in to your particular account. Now, then you are gonna present it with specific chat to interact it with and also ones you have created. Now just go ahead and choose a specific one that you have created and that you wanna delete. Tap on the profile at top of the screen of this characters and you have got the three options at the top, that is view character, share character and hide character. Simply, in order to delete characters on character.ai, you can simply come back to the same page where you have recently got the recent chats, and you can simply select and long press on that particular character and tap hide character. This will hide the character as well as delete the characters on character.ai. So that was quite easy and simple. Other thing you can do is come back to chats at the bottom left corner, tap on the profile at top right corner, and then choose private at the top right corner. And if you have any characters here also, you can do the same thing and delete characters on character.ai. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.